I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Fidelity HSA. First, you need to confirm your eligibility, which means being enrolled in a high-deductible health plan. Then, visit Fidelity.com and choose to open a health savings account. You will provide your personal information, including your Social Security number, and confirm your eligibility. The process is straightforward and typically takes only a few minutes to complete online. Once your Fidelity HSA is open, it's time to fund it. For self-only coverage, you can contribute up to $4,300, and for family coverage, the limit is $8,550. If you are 55 or older, you can contribute an additional $1,000. You can easily set up one-time or recurring electronic transfers from your bank account to your HSA. A key benefit of a Fidelity HSA is the ability to invest your funds. You can choose from a broad selection of investments, including stocks, bonds, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. There is no minimum balance required to begin investing, allowing you to grow your savings. Fidelity also offers a list of funds to consider to help you get started with your investment choices. Managing your Fidelity HSA is simple. You can use your HSA debit card or the online bill pay feature to cover qualified medical expenses directly. Alternatively, pay out of pocket and reimburse yourself later, as long as the expense occurred after your account was opened. Remember to keep your receipts for tax records. Your HSA funds are yours to keep and grow, rolling over annually without expiration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.